We know that healthy relationships have the power to make us feel good. But how good? Well, a positive relationship with a nearby friend can increase your overall happiness by up to 25%. A nearby sibling? 14%. And having a great relationship with your next-door neighbor, that can increase your overall happiness by up to 34%. How do we know? Well, it's all pretty scientific. But guess what's not so scientific? The ways you make those positive relationships happen. By reaching out when you haven't heard from them in a while. By stopping by when they've been having a rough time. By sending a card when you could have sent a text. None of it is that difficult. But we struggle to make it happen sometimes. Would it be easier to find time for the important people in your life if you knew it would make you happier and healthier? Because when you're surrounded by healthy relationships, you're also less affected by stress. You get sick less often. And when you do get sick, you recover faster. Your risk of depression decreases, and you're a lot more likely to exercise and eat healthy. So let's make a promise to ourselves to start prioritizing our relationships, to make more time for connecting, for talking and laughing, for sharing and caring with a card. Because making others feel good can do a world of good for you too.